Hi, my name is Holly Flick, and for my video, I will be discussing Earth's material resources, such as minerals, rocks, and soils. So, for my video, I will explore various soil types, their composition and categorization, and then I will cover basic soil requirements for specific plants and how to create suitable soil for them. So, right now, I will introduce two plants that I have. This is a zebra haworthia. You can see its little stripes, and then I have a goldfish plant. So the zebra haworthia is a drought-resistant succulent, and because it is defined as a succulent, zebra plants store water in their leaves, making them drought-resistant. And then goldfish plants come in various varieties, some considered succulents, others not. Um, Goldfish plants, like the Nematanthus green magic variety that I have, produce vines and are bred for their flowers. So both plants require well-drained soil to prevent something called root rot, which happens when there's too much moisture in the soil. However, their soil preferences do differ. So zebra plants prefer a sandier soil, which I will pour out onto a plate here. You can kind of see it. Um, it has a bit larger grains. It's a lot less dense. It's a lot lighter, and you may not be able to see it, but it is sand based. Sandy soil is a bit looser and more grainy, which creates large pores in the soil for water and air to pass through. Many desert plants love sandy soil, a lot like this big fuzzy cactus that I have here. Um, and then on the other hand, goldfish plants will thrive in soil with more organic matter and peat moss. Now I don't have peat moss here, um, which is it's just like a moist brown moss. And then here is the soil that a goldfish plant would prefer. It has a lot more organic matter. It's a lot darker in color. There are a lot more sticks and leaves and broken down plant material in there. Um, The organic matter and peat moss replicate leaf litter that accumulates on the forest floor of a jungle, which would be the most ideal location for a goldfish plant to live in because of the higher humidity. And then there is something called perlite, which is beneficial for both plants that I have. You can see it mostly in the sandy soil. It is these little white grains, or I guess they're larger white particles that can be seen in the sand-based soil, and they are used to keep the soil loose and light. And then, unlike succulents, there are a lot of flowers that prefer in-ground planting due to different soil requirements. So some plants that are example of this would be daylilies, hostas, coneflowers, and irises, which are very popular garden flowers. You would tend to plant those in-ground as opposed to succulents, which you probably wouldn't want to plant in-ground in Wisconsin because there isn't much sand or gravel. Thank you.